That's the kind of water pressure I have in my house. If it's not enough for your Rheem water heater, it's not turning on. I'm gonna show you. Not even showing the numbers. It's not turning on at all. And as you see, there's electricity passing through. So I asked my son to come and check how much electricity. It's each line is bringing 120, so it's 240, exactly what the Rheem is supposed to have, and it's not working. That's why I'm gonna give you back. It's not pressure, it's not the electricity. The problem is your device.